Hi friends, welcome everyone to Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince once again here. So friends, today let us look into the most volatile expiry which we had in the recent time. I should say January from past 1 week. The markets are very volatile. I can hear many of them telling me, they're chatting with me on WhatsApp and telling that they're bleeding, their PNL is bleeding, they're losing their money, they're losing their confidence. Friends, it's just a temporary phase. You don't have to worry much. Reason being, market will keep changing, but we must not change. We should stick to the same rules. We should just sustain. The story, the concept is we just have to sustain. We just have to make sure that we are there for the long game. So market might change after a few days, it might come back to normal, but are you there? Will you be there after a few days? That is what is the important question which you need to ask yourself. So before taking any positions, make sure that your losses are going to be very minimal so that it will not impact your psychology, it will not impact your confidence. That is what you have to look into, and don't worry about the returns. These are all temporary phase, and this is going to be till the budget. As long as budget is there till budget, there will be a lot of fluctuations, a lot of spikes and all those things. So reduce your position size, not a problem. And let's see how it goes forward. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us look into today's trade, how we did our Banknifty analysis. And friends, those who are not subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. It's a channel for all the working professionals where I keep uploading latest strategies, latest lessons. Recently started making a bit of trying my luck on shorts as well. You can try out look out the shorts. A bit of comedy and bit of serious content also is available. Please do give your comments on the also your feedbacks on how the shorts are. And also my app is available on Play Store. You can use the link, and also those who are not joined the Telegram, you can use the link which I put in the description of this video and join our Telegram group as well. Fine. So the Bank Nifty open was almost the same level, so nothing much of a gap up or gap down, but you can see the kind of VIX, the kind of movement which had the VIX was increasing as soon as the market opened. The VIX was drastically increasing. Okay, so this might be because of all these kinds of spikes which you can see at this kind of big spikes. Bank Nifty was going up and down, huge spikes, which is not good. Okay, so let us look into the prices. The straddle price as of now, you can see call is around 131 and put is around 160. There is a bit bias between the call and the put, but we need to accept it. There is no other option. And also the premiums are not huge enough, decent enough, but spikes will really spoil the party. That is what we have to be very careful. Okay, so 130 and 160, it is having a bias. Now let us look into the open interest. I'll go for the weekly open interest, and then I can see at 42,500 we got a very big tower. So this is enough for us to get a very good resistance. Okay, so presently Bank Nifty is around 42,400 level. So 42,500 is not far enough. So I think it's a very very decent enough level. And also, if at all you look into the previous day, you can see multiple times it has tried to cross this 42,500 level and go, but then it has got retraced. So we can say that it has got a very good impact, very high impact at this 42,500 level. It will act as a very good resistance. You can see here multiple times it tried to cross this level and has come back. Okay, so our open interest also is confirming the fact that the highest resistance is that level of 42,500, right? So we got a resistance level. Let us look into the support level. So you can see here Bank Nifty has continuously started to bounce back from this level and is around 42,350 in that range. Okay, so what we can do on the safer side, I'll keep it at around 42,300. So 200 points range for as of now, and later I'll slowly move the range down. But this is going to add as a very good support and resistance. 42,300 below which we can expect a good amount of selling coming in the same way 42,500 above which we can expect good amount of buying. So we need to be directional from that point onwards. Alright. Okay. So let's continue. So this time also I did not go to take my positions quickly. I was expecting good amount of volatility, and you can see as expected time is close to 10:10 now, and I've still not taken my positions, but you can see the zigzag movement Bank Nifty is having. So zigzag something we can manage, but this kind of spikes is what really troubles all of us because of the stop losses hunting. You can't keep even 50% stop loss, you can't keep even 30-40 anything. Your stop losses will keep getting hit and it will hurt you very badly. So you can see the kinds of spikes which are there. So starting itself, Bank Nifty is giving us lots of warning signs for today. So that is why I did not go to take my positions. I am just playing safe. I still not taking any positions. I'm just quietly waiting, patiently waiting to just make sure that Bank Nifty moves correctly, starts moving sideways. Only then I'll start taking my position. This was the overall plan. So till 10 o'clock, I have not taken my positions, and you can see Bank Nifty is just okay. So now I have taken my positions. You can see I have gone into a strangle. I did not go to straddle because of the volatility and the spikes happening. So I tried to play a bit safe. I have also not entered full quantity. I am just entering step by step slowly. But the paining point which I had is this, the bias. Okay. So you can see that the call is much almost you can say half the price of put. So this will have a very big impact for us, right? In case if Bank Nifty goes up, then we are fine because put is having higher value. But if it comes down, then we are going to suffer huge losses because of the existing bias which is there already. Okay. So as you can see, as expected, luckily for our side, Bank Nifty is going up, and you can see our positions have started to increase profit slowly. Step by step, we are increasing in profit, and you can see the value of call and put is almost becoming same. Okay. So we will be neutral as of now, but as of now you can see it is time is close to 10:30, and our profits are increasing steadily. Almost call and put values have become equal as of now because we had a higher value of put, right? So from now onwards, you can see Bank Nifty is consolidating. So then I started adding more positions. So now I started adding straddle itself. 42,400 call and put is what I added because Bank Nifty is consolidating and it is moving sideways, and also the premium was available at the same price. If at all you see almost the same price. So I started slowly adding in more call and more put, but as of now Bank Nifty is just moving sideways. Okay. So this is our overall game plan. As long as it moves in this range, I'll be happy enough. I'll collect the premium decay, and then in case if it breakout happens, I will go directional and take it, right? So time as of now close to 10:45, and we are sitting with a good decent profit. You can see almost we reached 33,000 profit, and there was nothing much because Bank Nifty was just moving sideways, and the straddle as well as the strangle both are in profits because of the premium decay. So my plan was to increase my position slowly from here and go, but then market had always a different plan for us. So I'll just show you. So yeah, so before 11 o'clock, okay, so after 11 o'clock, you can see this spikes which happened. I'm sure many of you would have got your stop losses hit during this period. So same thing happened to me here. You can see Bank Nifty started going down. So put stop losses got hit. Then again you can see it started going up. The call stop losses got hit. Again you can see it was coming down. I started adjusting. Again the put stop losses got hit. It was horrible, this particular movement at around 11 o'clock. So you can see this kind of sudden movement which happened really spoiled my show. So I started coming down, bleeding into 60,000 loss. You can see already doing adjustments. I have reached to a loss of around 60,000. From it almost reached profit of around 55,000. From there almost I came down to 64,000 loss. So now Bank Nifty is slightly trying to reverse going up. So I started adding put positions a little slowly, but then again Bank Nifty, the kind of person it is, okay, it had always a different story for us. Okay, so these are the two big candles which really spoiled my party for today. So one more Thursday where I am going to have a bloodshed, and it's okay. I am not losing much. Okay, I'm just losing. I've almost kept my risk management as 1% of my capital. Yeah. So now you can see again Bank Nifty did not sustain going up. It again reversed, and then my put stop losses again got hit, and then I closed my positions because all my legs got hit. I closed all my positions and I booked loss. So this is close to 1% of my capital, and that's why it will not pinch me because I know that these kind of days will come and go. I don't have to worry much. I'm just limiting just my losses. That's the overall concept. But whenever I make profit, I just make sure that I make more than 1%, so that these kind of losses which happens occasionally, we need to recover it. Okay, this is the overall concept, friends. You don't have to worry much in case if the bank is volatile, if Bank Nifty is volatile or the market is volatile and all those things. Many people tell all those things. You don't have to worry all those. Just concentrate on your game. Make sure that your losses are small and make sure your profits continue and your profit increases, and then automatically you can come down. You can come back. That's the overall concept. Hope you had a good video. Hope you had a good learning today. If any doubts, always you can WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525, or otherwise also you can put in the comment section and I'll reply to your queries as well. Thank you and have a nice day.